Guys, today we're going to be working on page 215, exercise 2. On exercise 2 on page 215, we are going to do letter A, and it's changing Fahrenheit to Celsius. To the first one says 176 Fahrenheit degree equals to Celsius degree. This is our first exercise on page 215. So first step is always to write our formula. So our formula this time will be C equals to 9/5 times F minus 32. So I write my formula. Step number 1 is to write my formula. It's C equals to 5/9 times F minus 32. When I have this, I can start getting all my step number 2, and I say C equals to 5/9 times F 176 minus 32, and I do my subtraction in another side. So I say 176 minus 32, 4, and 1, 144. So I use my answer and I write it over here. So step number 3 is C equals to 5/9. My parentheses become and times multiplication times 144. That is my answer, 144. And to write as a fraction, I write 1. And I have 2 fractions so that I can do my multiplication. So I say 5 times 144 . 5 times 4, 20. I got 2 up. 20 plus 2, 22. I got 2 up. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So my answer is 720. So I write over here 720. And 9 times 1, 9. Then I have an improper fraction, so I will be simplified in this one. And I write 720 divided by 9. And how many times does the 9 fit in the 72? Times 8. 9 times 8, 72. And then I subtract 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. I bring down the next one, is a 0. In 9, in 0 is equal to 0. So my answer is 80, equals to 80. And this is my answer, so that I can write it on the line. That's the letter A. Now, letter B says 50 Fahrenheit degree equals to Celsius degree. So, first step is to write our formula, and we say C equals to 5/9 times F minus 32. When we have our formula, we can substitute. Then we write step number 2, C equals to 5/9 times F. So that means 50. 50 minus 32. And I do my subtraction in another side. 50 minus 32. And I borrow 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. My answer is 18. So I can write over here. So step number 3 will be C equals to 5/9. Parentheses become a multiplication. And I say 18. And to write it as a fraction, I need my 1. Here I have two fractions that I can multiply. And I say 5 times 18. 5 times 8, 40. I got 4 up. 5 times 1, 5 plus 4, 9. My answer is 90. So I have 90 over 9 times 1, 9. and then I divide. 90 divided by 9. So 90 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. I bring down the next one, 0. So my answer is 10. And I write my answer on the empty space, 10.